Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to what apps are in Power BI. What is a Power BI app? A Power BI app is basically a collection of reports and dashboards that are located in one place. An app is a Power BI content type, which basically combines related dashboards and reports all in one location. An app can have one or more reports and dashboards all bundled together. An app is usually created by a Power BI designer who distributes and shares the app with consumers. Before you can use the app's feature inside your Power BI service, you require a Power BI professional license. So without the pro license, you will not be able to use these features of the apps. Although Power BI allows you to try the pro version for a limited period of time. Once you have signed in to your Power BI service, you can access your apps. If you've got any apps installed, they will be located under this icon here that says apps. So as you can see here, I've got no app listed. It says I don't have any. If you want to get an app or search for an app, you can search for it here under the search bar, or you can click on this Get Apps option, click on that, and that will open up the location. It tells me here I don't have any content from my organization. You can also search for apps there is a link here that says Find More Apps and Consulting Services at App Source. So click on that. That would take you to where you can get more apps. So depending on what it is you want an app for, you've got different options to select from, and you can also do a search as well inside the Microsoft App Source. And if you scroll down, you can see some featured apps that have been featured here. So if there's any here that you like, there are some that will be on a free trial, and some you can just click on the Get It Now, and that will take you to where you can get the app. So apps are quite useful. They are easy to find and install in the Power BI service. After you install an app, you really don't have to remember the names of a lot of the different dashboards because they are all bundled together in one app inside your web browser or your mobile device. Whenever the app author releases updates for your app, you automatically see the changes. The author also controls how often the data is scheduled to refresh. That way you don't need to worry about keeping it up to date. So that's it for this video. In this video, I gave you a brief introduction to what apps are in Power BI. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.